What's up, guys? This is Jesse from SoCal Digital Repair. Today we're going to review the new Union Repair tool drivers. These are used for iPhones and they're brass material. They're very heavy and strong and I really like them. So let's check out this strength test. Okay, so this is a Phillips type head. You can see I'm making some serious damage here. Okay, so now let's get a screw. It's magnetized. Yep, no stripping. Okay, so there's 5 different drivers available. There's a Phillips, Penelope, Torx T2, a standoff screwdriver, and a tri-wing. So let's open one up real quick. They're very high quality drivers. Very heavy, and these are ball bearing. So when you work on them, it feels very smooth in your hands. So after using them for a few days, the only downside I found is these all look exactly the same. The only difference is the actual label on the unit. But when you have a bunch of them laying down, it's kind of difficult to just pick one up and tell them apart. But I found the solution. What you do is you color code them using some Sharpies. Then you just color them different colors, and then it's a lot easier to identify when working on a phone. Hey guys, I do have a contest going on right now. You can enter to win a 5-pack of these Union Repair tool screwdrivers. It's only available for US shipping, but click the link in the description and hope you win.